a large or even a small business, chances are you've got quite a large digital presence online. You may have a website, you could also have social media accounts, you will be doing emails, you'll have an email client like MailChimp, you can also have review sites, FIFO, TripAdvisor, and also Google. And of course you can have a Google business profile. Now this is a lot of time spent doing all of these activities. The thing is, do you know if any of them are really working? And if you're investing time and money in it, do you know if you're getting the sort of results that you want? I'm delighted that I'm actually going to be running a 2-hour brand new workshop here at Morley College on Thursday the 21st of November. This brand new course is going to equip you with all the tools that you need to measure and analyse just how your business is doing online. With this information, you can plan ahead, you can change your marketing strategy, you can measure exactly how well your ad campaigns are performing, and you may even want to get some research on new markets. The cost of this course is £100, but we're offering it at a new introductory rate of just £55. So don't delay, sign up today, and I really look forward to seeing you there.